Kaingĩ rĩrĩa andũ magomerwo nĩ mĩrimũ makĩria mũrimũ wa mukingo, aingĩ ao monaga tarĩ mĩtũrĩre yao yakinya mũthia. Amwe makĩaga kwĩyumĩria, gũkũ amwe makĩrega gwĩtĩkĩra na kũrega kwamũkĩra ũrigitani wa ndawa cia ARVs. No Julius Murega kuma Mũtuate kaunti-inĩ ya Meru, narĩo nĩ ithe wa ciana 11 wa arĩa metĩkĩrĩte ũrigitani. Rĩu akiuga ũgima wake wa mwĩrĩ nĩ wambĩrĩirie gũcokereria.
Kwangu ni abetuli. Alafu naambia Mungu asanti. Kwa vile watoto wa Mungu wanakuwa ananifanyia mambo mzuri, mimi nafurahi sana. Mimi nafurahi kwa ajili ya ile watu wa Mungu wanakuja kunisaidia. Mimi hakuna wakati hata moja mimi tasahau niyo mambo.
Wakafanywa assessment na ikaonekana ile shinda wako nayo ni lazima wasaidiwe. Ikiwezekana wasaidiwe na kikundi cha marafiki wao.
Pamela Nkobore ni murigitani itũra-inĩ rĩrĩ agatarĩria mathĩna maingĩ marĩa famĩlĩ ĩno ĩkoretwo ĩkĩgerera.
And we were able to identify several issues with the client, that there was issue with the adherence and poor living standard. So we had to follow up, educate them on the adherence, and we had to return them back to care, of which we did. We also identified that there was a child that also was linked to care and also was linked to OVC program.
Hii familia ilionekana na changamoto tofauti. Ya kwanza ikiwemo ile ya kiafya. Na walipotunjulisha tulijikakamua kama OVC team, tukakuja mpaka kwa hii mboma, tukaassess na tukawasajili katika ule mradi wetu ambao unasaidia wale watoto ambao wako na changamoto tofauti hasa za kiafya kupitia yale maradhi ya HIV.
Ũkĩayo nĩguo cũngĩrĩirie arĩa marigainie hamwe na mũtaratara wa jamii tekelezi gũtuga Murega ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ rĩa thigũkũ na kũmwehereria mathĩna, umwe wa mwarĩ nyũmba ya gũikara hamwe na famĩlĩ yake.
Lakini kupitia marafiki wetu, kupitia pia kwa staff wetu wote, tumekuja pamoja siku ya leo ili at least kuinua maisha yao, ambayo siku ya leo mnaona Christmas yao wataifurahia kweli kama familia zingine.
And today we've come to share with this family the joy of Christmas by giving them a new house, and we are very happy. We've seen that they are already smiling.
Kuona Murega nĩ ambĩrĩirie kũrũmĩrĩra ũnyui wa ndawa cia ARVs akĩheo mataro nĩ gĩkundi gĩkĩ, ũgima wake wa mwĩrĩ ũkĩerĩkana gũkorwo wagĩrĩte.
This will go a long way in making a difference in their lives, because now they will have a proper shelter, and with that even the children will feel more protected and they will be safe.
I'm having confidence that through the support that the family has been getting from the facility level to the community level, that they are going to adhere well to their treatment and that the viral load is going to be LDL.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mbataru wa Mwangi.